Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In this video, you're going to learn how to make this beautiful fascinator. As you can see, I didn't use net, the veil net that we usually use. I did not use it. I did not use sinamay. So if you like to know what I use in making this beautiful fascinator, kindly watch this video till the end, okay? And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, feel free to subscribe. Subscribing is free. I'm not paying for subscribing, okay? And turn on the post notifications so that you can get notified anytime I upload new videos, okay? Wow, this fascinator is so lovely. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Here's the fabric I'm going to use for this. I've not used it before. This is a lining, foreign lining, maybe we'll call it suit lining. So this is my first time trying it out, so I'm going to use it for this fascinator, and I'm using my millinery wire. I'm going to bound the millinery wire, then place it over it and peg it and stitch. Okay, if you don't know how to do it in the manner, I'm going to leave a link up here so that you can check it out. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so because I've done this over and over again, so I don't want to do it on camera, so I'll just do it behind camera and get back to us. And the next thing I'm going to show you is this. Remember my last video, I molded this fascinator from a hard net, so I'm also going to use this for this. Okay, this is the importance of molding your crown down. If you mold it, to be easy, so I molded it that time. I don't have to mold again this time. So all I'm just going to do is to cover it with this directly. Okay, so and I have this is satin. Okay, this is satin. I already stitched one side. You see the way it is. I stitched it, so when I stitched it, I turned it out, then ironed it. So what I'm going to do right now, this is a hard stay, a very hard stay. Okay, we all know the one they use for flare. I made sure I cut out the same measurement of this satin. Okay, if you look at it, it's the same width. Okay, so I'll cut out the length I wanted for this. So let's assume this is the length. I'll take you can use any length you want. Okay, it's a matter of choice, so it's not compulsory you must use what I'm using. This I'm going to fold it. I believe I've done something like this when I was making a picture, so I'm just showing you another method. So once you cut it like this, the shiny side, which is the side that has the glue, will face this side I have my stitch on. You can see the stitch, right? So I will just try to fold it like this so it can be easy to slip in. So once I put it like this, leave it like that, push it down. So once it gets to the end, you release. Okay, you can see it's very easy. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my iron to iron this side that the stitch is on. Okay, I'll iron it very well. So once I iron, it's going to stick to it, so I will do same on all others, then get back to us. Okay, here is it. I finished stitching it. You can see how frame is looking, and I went ahead to trim off. I didn't trim it up completely. I just trimmed a little and left it here because I would like here to remain like this. I will still place something on top of it later on. And I molded the cap. I molded, I already wrapped it with the same fabric, so I'm going to place it at one side of it like so and stitch it. Maybe side, it can't be at the middle. I'll place it at the side, so it's going to be like this. So I'll go ahead right now and stitch it with it and get back to us. Okay, I've done a similar video of how I stitched something like this, so if you don't know how to do it, I'm going to leave a link up here so that you will check it out. Okay, so that this video will not be too long. So I'll go ahead now and stitch it, then get back to us. You can see it's neatly stitched, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut inside out. So as usual, after cutting, I'll just open it up like this so you can relax, then press it down and use my bias on it, okay, and get back to us. This is velvet or suede, okay. It's velvet. I just use it to wrap this bony, okay, just a little. Here is it, so you can see the way it is. So I'm going to combine it with it. So that's what I've done. I'm going to use it to embellish it like this, okay. Before then, these are the other ones I made. I showed you last time. So I'm just going to form a circle out of it. How do I get a circle? Just fold it into two like this. Add your glue, fold it like this, then you get a circle, okay. So I will make them and also show them to you, okay. Okay, so here is it. I went a step ahead to bond these edges with some candle, okay. So I already attached this and I fixed my elastic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it here, okay, like so to cover it, something like this. I'll go ahead and stitch it a little bit and add this one at the top like this. I think it's looking nice like that. So this is how I'm going to do it. So I'll go ahead right now and just stitch it a little bit, then I will add my feathers. So that's it. So let me stitch it. All I've been stitching today, I'll be using I beg your pardon, I've been using fishing line, okay. So fishing line, so that's it. So I'll just go ahead and stitch it a little bit down. Okay, see, I've done it. I added some feathers to it. I'm also thinking of adding more of this green to embellish it a little bit, because what she's putting on is mixed with green. So I'm just going to use this green to cover these rough edges where I stitched, so that they will not know what happened there, okay. So I'm just going to trim it off a little bit and attach it like this. I'll also make it rest on this main place. So let me quickly do that and get back to us. Here is it. I'm done with it. Is it looking nice? You see, I decided to add some of this like a sequence that I trimmed from the lace itself. Is sequence lace. So I'm just going to try it out so you can see the beauty on me. Looks nice, right? Wow. So now begin to give this video a very big thumbs up. Do you like what you see? Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe to this channel, okay? And give this video a very big thumbs up if you like what you see. This is nice. Try it out and let me know how yours came out, okay? Who would believe that this was made with lining, silk lining? Is it not looking nice? Can you see this? This one I use suede to make it, velvet. Looks so amazing. Stay tuned for more videos till I come your way again next time. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.